Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing start to your week so far. I'm so excited for today's video where I will be giving my bedroom a complete spring refresh. I will also be featuring several home decor DIYs that you will want to recreate to feature throughout any space in your home that are easy, fast, and budget friendly. I will also have several videos coming soon, so make sure you have your notification bell turned on, that way you don't miss any of them. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and throughout this video you will see how I use the Cricut machine to make this spring bedroom refresh possible. We recently added this mini fridge in our room to have easier access to our drinks. It's a total game changer. It definitely comes in handy when we're thirsty in the middle of the night rather than having to go all the way downstairs to get something to drink. I will make sure to leave links to everything you see in today's video in the description box. I appreciate all of the love and support you guys gave me in my recent video, which is the kitchen organization. To say thank you, I'm going to pick one winner to receive $100 cash via PayPal or Cash App. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell to turn on all notifications, leave a comment, and give this video a like. I'll leave more details in the description box. I'm going to be sprinkling baking soda over our mattress, and I will later be sprinkling it around on the carpet. Baking soda is a natural way to clean your mattress and a natural way to eliminate any odors. For better results, have it on your mattress up to 24 hours. I'm not going to let it sit that long today, just for a couple of hours. While I'm letting the baking soda sit, I'll be vacuuming some other areas and then share with you beautiful home decor DIYs you can easily recreate. There has never been a better time to take your creativeness to new heights. If you want to create your own unique and meaningful home decor pieces or want to make a DIY for that special someone, look no further than with Cricut. If you've never heard of Cricut before or aren't fully aware of the possibilities that Cricut machines can provide, I will quickly inform you around them. Cricut is a company that specializes in state-of-the-art electronic cutting machines that are used to DIY crafts and projects. They can cut a wide variety of materials such as paper, vinyl, cardstock, iron-on material, fabric, denim, silk, leather, and many other specialty objects. The Cricut Explore Air 3 is the latest model Cricut has released, succeeding the Explore Air 2. With this model, it is now 2 times faster, which allows you to cut, draw, and score with even better precision. To start my project, I'm going to use a software called Design Space. It comes free with your machine, and it's where you can create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. I'm going to delete one of those words since I'm going to be ironing on Hello Spring in different colors on a pillow. I pressed to make it on the top right corner, selected without matte since I'm using smart material, and selected the base material I'm working with. Since this project is going to be iron on, make sure to edit the left side of the screen to turn mirror on before starting the cutting process. Now I'm going to do the same process for the remaining word. I have my bright pad on to help me see what extra material needs to be removed between the letters. These pillow covers are from Cricut, and to customize these, I use the new Cricut Easy Press 3. With spring here and summer to follow, not only can you make custom indoor pillows, but you can also use this heat press to customize outdoor pillows, textile, totes, and t-shirts. The Easy Press 3 succeeds the second generation model with a major upgrade in technology, you guys, making heat transfer projects simpler with even less guesswork than before. It's now equipped with Bluetooth connectivity. Cricut Easy Press 3 pairs with the Cricut Heat app for guided making, including one-tap precision temperature and time settings. It sends the heat settings directly from your phone to the heat press with a click of a button. These pillows turned out absolutely adorable, and I'm going to style them on my front porch seating. Browsing through spring images on Design Space, I found 2 images that I really liked. I'm going to frame one and put the other one on a floral arrangement for more personalized decor pieces. Then I highlighted both images, pressed weld at the bottom right corner, then make it without matte, and selected my base material. For this next project, I'm going to make 4 shadow boxes with cardstock silver feathers. I'm duplicating the feathers that are going to fit on one sheet of the foil cardstock paper. Next, highlight all of the feathers and press weld, followed by make it, then select base material. I love the way this wall art turned out, you guys. It's unique, different, and elegant. It's exactly what the space needed, and this room is now complete with this wall art. I love that with the Cricut machine, you can make your own custom wall decor that looks high-end to instantly transform any space in your home. For this next DIY, I'm going to make a monogram on the center of the tray for a more personalized decor piece. Here's how my personalized tray turned out, you guys. This project was super easy to make and I really like the outcome. It's a statement piece in any room with the monogram for sure. For my last DIY to complete the spring refresh, I'm going to personalize 2 glasses for my husband and I. We don't drink alcohol, we just like using these glasses for water, juice, smoothies, or even soda. I found the perfect L and S to add on these glasses. Now that I have the size that I want in the glasses, I'm ready to highlight them, press swells, and press make it. To make sure this personalized decal stays on your glasses, make sure you use permanent vinyl. I love the way they turned out. They're super cute and elegant. It's so much fun using the Cricut machine to customize anything that I want. The link to shop Cricut is in my description box along with the discount code to finally get your very own machine. This concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. I hope you enjoyed my spring bedroom refresh. Also, don't forget to enter the giveaway. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Take care.